Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the second episode of Broke Girls Guide to Fashion, and if you're new here and you're wondering what is this girl talking about, why is she talking so crazy, what is Broke Girls Guide to Fashion? Hi, welcome back, not welcome back, but yeah, welcome to my channel. My name is Divya. I make videos which are related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle and fitness sometimes, and I have the series where I style affordable clothes under affordable prices for affordable prices. So yeah, I'll link the video right here. Click the I mark over here and then you'll get a card and you can go and watch the first episode of it. So spring is here, so I thought of doing a video entirely dedicated to spring outfits which are inspired by the trends which you're going to see a lot in 2019. So this is a Broke Girls Guide to Fashion. That means every outfit in this video would be something that you can get if you're on a budget and for affordable prices. So basically the whole gist of the entire video is this. This is what we're going to do today. First I'll talk about the trends which we are going to see majorly into spring 2019, and then I'll move on to the outfits. So I have an entire lookbook ahead of this, and then this is the me telling you all the trends that you're going to see, so that you don't have to stick to this, like the particular outfits that I have styled. But yeah, you can get inspired from all the trends that are there and also from the outfits that I'm showing, and then you can make your own outfit. Not the entire trends that are going to be there, but these are certain trends, because otherwise the video will be very long and nobody wants to watch too long of a video. So I'm gonna just keep it short and just talk some trends, and then maybe in the next video, if this video reaches 50 likes, then I'll do the part 2 of this. Okay, cool. Let's begin. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is colors that are going to be in for spring 2019, because colors are very affordable way to get into the trend and not breaking the bank. So yeah, the first color that I'm going to talk about, and if you think that why I'm looking down, it's because I have notes there and I'm going to read from there. The first color that I'm going to talk about is the blue color that I'm wearing. It's a sort of a powdery blue sort of a shade, and Lady Gaga, we saw this color on the red carpet of Lady Gaga, Charlize Theron on the Oscars, and a lot of designers have actually included this color in their collection. So yeah, this is the first color that is going to be in. The second color that is going to be in is sage green. It is going to be huge this season, and basically sage green and the shades of sage green. So anything if you find in that green spectrum, you can get it. Not bottle green exactly, don't go for bottle green. I mean, if you like it, you can go for it. Another color that is going to be huge in spring and summer 2019 is the color yellow. We saw it on Karl Lagerfeld, Alexander McQueen, and there were a lot, basically the runway was filled with the color yellow and the shades of yellow. Another trend that is going to be in this spring and summer 2019 is florals. I know, how groundbreaking. If you know the reference, comment down below. Anyway, so florals are something that you should keep an eye for, and you should pick up anything which is floral. You will be in trend if you're wearing floral this spring and summer 2019. Best way to actually be on trend and not break the bank is to merge two trends. So I have this dress from Lulu and Sky, and this has this bell sleeves and ruffles all over it, and it's this yellow shade, and it also has florals all over it. So yeah, it's cheap and it has two trends in it, so we are good. It is a win-win situation. The thing that is going to be huge this spring and summer 2019 is ruching and ruffling. A lot of almost every designer did a ruching dress. The one that I like is particularly from Balmain. It was this cream sort of it was this nudish kind of a color with ruching of black all on top of it. It was a very beautiful dress. This top, it has ruching all over in the front, and then it has ruffles over here. I got this from Lulu and Sky, and also bright red is in trend right now. So this is a very good way to be on trend and also combine two trends together. The trend that is going to be huge is the neon trend. Everyone is doing neon. Almost every designer did neon, and neon makes you look very cheery, happy, sporty and edgy. So yeah, if you don't want to spend a lot on neon because you think that's not your color, try getting a crop top like this. This one is from Shein. I'll link it down below so you can go and check it out. Another trend that is going to be huge, and rather I would say it has continued from the past season, is the animal print. And this season we are seeing a lot of snake skin patterns. That is going to be really huge. So if you don't want to spend a lot on those crazy neon animal print sort of a thingy, you can get this sort of a crop top from Shein. It's really inexpensive. It's some 200 rupees or something, but it's beautiful. It is a snake skin crop top, and also it has combined that ruching sort of a thing, so it's 2 in 1, like 2 trends in one go. Another color that is going to be huge this spring and summer 2019 is the color beige. You'll see it everywhere, like beige on, I should say, more neutral tones. So all sort of neutral tone, whites, creams, beige, and whatever else come in this category. I am now not finding the exact color names, but yeah, those are going to be huge this spring and summer 2019. The trend that is going to be huge this season was started by Miss Kim Kardashian West. It was huge. The trend has continued from the past 2 years, I believe. It is amazing. I basically love it. Like, at least for going to the gym, I love the cycling short trend. It was started by Miss Kim Kardashian West, and then Chanel did it in their fashion show, and I was mind blown. Like, Chanel does not do such sort of looks, but they did it anyway. So yeah, cycling shorts are going to be huge this season also. But this season we are seeing a lot of blazer on top of cycling shorts. I have styled it in this video. Now coming to accessories, we are going to see a lot of hair clips like this. I think accessories are a really good way to be on trend. Say for example, this scrunchie, I got this from H&M. It has this animal print. So if you're not into animal prints and you don't want to invest a lot, you can go ahead and buy a scrunchie like this and wear it. If you want to experiment with the trend, you can wear this and it will look amazing. And also shout out to my mom. This scrunchie actually not broke, the rubber band inside broke, and my mom fixed it for me and she taught me how to fix it again. So yeah. Thank you Mama if you're watching. That was it for all of the trends. Let's begin with the lookbook.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. That we're meant to be. We're meant to be. That we're meant to be. We've both been there before. When a love shuts the door, it's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another love war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, in time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. And how will we ever
because I had so much fun filming it, and I just love this entire concept of Broke Girl's Guide to Fashion, and also the trends. Like, I love all the trends that are in right now. So my camera stopped recording all of a sudden, and I switched on the fan because I was anyway going to end the video. So yeah, I was saying please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, because everyone wants to be in trend, right? And you will help a friend out, and I'll get a view which will help me out. So win-win for both of us. Anyways, all jokes aside, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, press the notification bell, and it would mean a lot to me. I'm kind of desperate right now, but yeah, please do all of that. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.